Good morning, Around the House with Kay and Tom. I have 4 little sweet potatoes. I am going to wash them, and I will cut off anything that's the fuzzy, like sticking out. And I'm going to spray them a little bit with canola oil, rub them down, wrap them in aluminum foil, put them in a pan, and we're going to bake them for 45 minutes. Since they're so little. And I've got my oven set at 350. So let's get started. If you see any really bad spots on it, like this one, I am going to try to cut that part out. There. These were given to me by a friend. If you're in the store, you can look over and get some that are bigger. So what we're going to do is we're just going to spray them down just a little bit. Canola oil happens to be the oil I've got in the house right now. I do have some avocado oil, but I didn't have anything else, so we'll just do with what you got. Running out to the store to buy stuff every time you turn around. When you get ready to fix anything, just go ahead and use what you've got. And when you learn how to cook with just what you've got, without always thinking you've got to have something perfect, you'll wind up being a better cook. We're just going to take them and just make sure that they're sealed up. That's the main thing, is to keep the steam in your aluminum foil. I usually have a small box of aluminum foil, like sheets, but not today, so that's okay. It has really turned off cold down here today. So I'm going to cook these in my big oven today and not the midget. That will help me heat up my house, which is one of the reasons why I'm doing this. And they needed to be cooked. And this is just a nice way of fixing something and not having to worry with it. I've got my 4 potatoes. Now we're going to put them in the oven, and I'm going to cook them. I'm going to set my timer for 45 minutes and we'll check them. I've set my timer for 45 minutes. Got my oven set on 350, and we'll come back and check it out. Okay, my sweet potatoes have been cooking, so let's just try one of them and just see what it did. I've let them cool just a little bit. It is definitely done. A lot of people like butter on it. I just happen to like just a little bit of salt on mine. Very, very good. Now that's one of the easiest things you can fix. It's just sweet potatoes washed. I put some canola oil on the outside. Sort of rubbed them down. Wrapped them up in aluminum foil. And I've cooked them. I cooked them for 45 minutes. And they weren't quite done, so I put them back in there for 15 more minutes. And as you can see, it is definitely done. You can put butter or your spices on it, but for me, I don't need nothing but a little dash of salt. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Short video, but I just wanted you to know what you could do with sweet potatoes, especially this time of year. Join my channel. Give me your comments. Stay warm. Come back to see me. It is really amazing how much better they are cooked in an oven than they are in the microwave. I would highly recommend to cook them in the oven. Takes a little bit longer, but they sure have a better flavor, better texture. Give me your comments. Make sure you join my channel. I love hearing from you.